Welcome to your Global Deployments dashboard, the place where all your gateways and endpoints come together. Here, you'll see every connected device with details on location, status, and activity, plus a live map to visualize deployments worldwide. With Zenarmor, there's no need to buy proprietary hardware. Any Linux or BSD-based system can instantly become a powerful inspection gateway, or even your own laptop endpoint. You can start right now by protecting your own device. Just click Add Endpoint. When you do, you'll see deployment options for multiple operating systems. For Windows, there are 5 choices: the Standalone installer, Microsoft Store app, Chocolatey, winget, or a PowerShell script from the Zenarmor repository. And for enterprise environments, you can also deploy at scale using Microsoft Intune or Jamf. In this example, we'll use the Standalone installer on Windows 11. Download the executable, double-click to start setup, and follow the prompts. Once it's done, Zenarmor launches automatically. Enter your organization ID, which you'll find at the top of your organization dashboard, or it may already be pre-filled. After choosing the organization ID, the agent will launch a browser and direct you to Zenconsole so that you can authenticate your endpoint agent to your organization. The Zenconsole account you registered with has already been added as the first user in your organization. This means you can use that email and password here. Your existing Zenconsole credentials work directly in the endpoint agent. For the future, to add more users, simply go to the Users section under Settings in Zenconsole. You can invite team members and assign roles anytime. That's it. No provisioning, no manual configuration required. Zenarmor automatically pulls all your policies and Zero Trust network settings from Zenconsole and begins enforcing them immediately, within seconds. Every configuration is centrally managed in Zenconsole, so your endpoints are always consistent, always protected, and securely connected to your Zero Trust networks. In under a minute, your device is fully secured and connected with Zenarmor's industry-first plug-and-secure SASE protection, always on, wherever you work.